Imagine a world where stairs are no longer an obstacle for wheelchair users. The Scalevo is designed to do exactly that. With its innovative track system, it climbs stairs effortlessly, providing a smooth and safe ride. Whether navigating urban environments or moving indoors, the Scalevo offers independence and freedom for users like never before. Ready to take flight on the water? The Jetivator is a jet-powered water bike that transforms any lake into your personal playground. It lifts you into the air, allowing you to perform stunts and tricks while feeling the rush of adrenaline. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking for a fun weekend escape, this water bike delivers the ultimate adventure. Imagine folding your electric motorcycle down to the size of a suitcase. The Acoma Tatamel is the perfect solution for urban commuters who need flexibility and portability. This foldable electric bike is compact, eco-friendly, and ideal for navigating busy city streets, making it a game-changer for modern transportation. Imagine cruising the open waters on an eco-friendly electric boat. The Highfield E Jet 330 is a sleek, zero-emission watercraft designed for speed and luxury. With its advanced battery system and lightweight design, this boat offers a silent and smooth ride, perfect for those who want to enjoy nature without disturbing the environment. Ever dreamt of gliding through the air on a hoverboard, like in the movies? The Arcaboard makes that a reality. It's a levitating device that uses powerful fans to lift you above the ground. With full control through your smartphone, you can experience the thrill of hovering over any surface, be it land or water. Urban congestion might soon be a thing of the past thanks to the Transit Elevated Bus. This concept vehicle rides above traffic, allowing cars to pass underneath. Imagine riding through busy streets, effortlessly avoiding traffic jams while making your commute more efficient. It's a vision of smart cities coming to life. Looking for a compact car with a punch? The Caterham 170R is a lightweight sports car designed for speed enthusiasts who crave agility and performance. With its retro design and modern engineering, this car offers a thrilling ride, combining classic style with today's cutting-edge automotive technology. Picture a vehicle that's as eco-friendly as it is futuristic. The Kia Concept PV1 blends electric power with cutting-edge design, showcasing what the future of urban mobility could look like. It's a glimpse into a cleaner, smarter future, where cars and sustainability go hand in hand. Parents, this one's for you. The Jog-Along stroller is designed for active families who love to run or walk. With its ergonomic design and shock-absorbent wheels, it provides a smooth ride for your child while allowing you to stay fit. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fitness for parents on the go. Why settle for a regular bike when you can have a three-wheeled adventure machine? The Terraglide Tricycle offers stability, speed, and an off-road experience like no other. Its powerful motor and rugged tires make it perfect for tackling rough terrains or cruising through city streets with ease. Need a quick and eco-friendly way to get around town? The Tom electric scooter is the solution. With its lightweight frame and powerful battery, it's built for zipping through city traffic. Plus, its foldable design means you can carry it anywhere. Ideal for commuters who need both convenience and speed. Imagine having your own personal assistant that can help with household tasks, remind you of important events, and even provide companionship. The Willow Personal Robot is an advanced AI companion designed to adapt to your daily needs. It's a smart, interactive robot that feels more like a friend, offering the future of personal assistance today. Think electric vehicles lack the thrill factor? Meet the Green Power Monster, an electric mobility beast that redefines power and versatility. With a 1,500-watt motor, it cruises up to 25 kilometers per hour and covers a staggering 70 miles on a single charge. Equipped with front and rear suspension, LED lighting, and dual brakes, it's built for safe and smooth rides. Ever thought about taking an electric trike for a spin? The Doohan iTank offers an eco-friendly ride with a twist. Its three-wheel design provides stability and control, making it ideal for urban commutes and outdoor fun. With a sleek and modern look, it's not just a trike, It's a stylish statement of sustainable mobility.